In 2025, finance teams are expected to deliver faster insights, improve collaboration, and help guide business strategy in real time. Additional spreadsheets and disconnected planning systems just don't cut it anymore. That's where Planful comes in. Planful is a cloud based financial planning and analysis platform designed to streamline budgeting, forecasting, reporting, and financial consolidation. It empowers finance teams to operate with more agility, automate repetitive tasks, and provide timely, data driven insights to decision makers. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use Planful, explore its core features, and explain how it helps modern finance teams thrive in today's fast-moving business environment. So for its key features and benefits, first is the structured budgeting and forecasting. Planful allows teams to build structured, driver-based budgets and rolling forecasts. You can create detailed financial models using templates, business rules, and custom assumptions tailored to your company's operations. The platform supports both top-down and bottom-up planning, giving flexibility to match your preferred planning style. This feature enhances accuracy, reduces manual errors, and saves time, helping finance teams shift from spending time collecting data to analyzing and advising. Another key feature is the automated financial consolidation. For companies with multiple entities or complex ownership structures, Planful simplifies the consolidation process. It automates intercompany eliminations, currency translations, and journal entries, while maintaining compliance with GAAP or IFRS standards. You can close the books faster and gain confidence in your consolidated financial statements, all without relying on complicated spreadsheets. Another key feature is the real-time reporting and dashboards. Planful offers dynamic dashboards and reporting tools that let users access up-to-date financial and operational data. You can create visual reports, track KPIs, and drill down into the details without needing IT. Stakeholders across departments can make better decisions with faster access to the insights they need, improving alignment between finance and the rest of the business. Another key feature is the collaborative planning and workflow management. Planful streamlines collaboration by allowing multiple users to work simultaneously in a controlled environment. Built-in workflows and audit trails help assign tasks, review submissions, and track changes during the planning cycle. You get full visibility and control over the entire process, which improves accountability and speeds up planning cycles across departments. Another key feature is the integration with ERP and business systems. Planful connects seamlessly with ERP systems like NetSuite, SAP, and Microsoft Dynamics, as well as data warehouses and business intelligence tools. This ensures that your planning and reporting processes are always backed by live, accurate data. Real-time integration eliminates the need for manual data entry and ensures consistency across your reporting and planning environment. So why is Planful a great choice? Planful is purpose-built for finance professionals who want to shift from reactive reporting to proactive strategic planning. Its blend of automation, user-friendly design, and powerful modeling tools makes it an ideal solution for modern finance teams navigating increasingly complex business environments. The platform scales easily with growing companies and adapts to industry-specific requirements. Finance leaders can confidently support evolving business strategies without getting bogged down by rigid systems or manual processes. With built-in collaboration and workflows, teams can work more efficiently while staying aligned with company objectives. In 2025, when agility and speed are critical, Planful helps finance teams close books faster, forecast more accurately, and deliver strategic insights when leadership needs them most. It's not just software, it's a shift toward a more integrated and future ready finance function. So basically, Planful stands out as a comprehensive cloud based FP&A platform that empowers finance teams to plan smarter, move faster, and collaborate more effectively. With built in support for budgeting, forecasting, reporting, and consolidation, it brings structure and automation to traditionally manual processes. By centralizing your planning activities in one place, Planful not only increases efficiency but also improves the quality of insights delivered to leadership. Whether you're managing a lean finance team or overseeing enterprise wide planning, Planful provides the tools you need to deliver value across the organization. So if you're ready to modernize your financial planning and drive more strategic outcomes, now is the perfect time to explore what Planful can do for your team in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.